Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoin is back again. Episode 107G. Refresher course on proof of work. Very, very important function of Bitcoin ecosystem. Last episode we learned that the first stage of cryptographic hashing will result in the true and honest UTXO or unconfirmed transaction. Okay. All the UTXO will go into a mempool, and the miner then can randomly pick up roughly 2,000 to 3,000 transactions or UTXO to fuel a 1 megabyte block. That's where the real mining starts. Miner mine one block at a time. Alright. The block is input through a cryptographic hashing called Proof of Work, SHA-256. And the output hash value is called Nonce Value. Okay. Now, let me show you. This is called a Nonce value after the SHA-256. Sounds simple, but okay. The real work actually of a mining is very simple. Just guess this correct Nonce value. Just get it. Just guess. That's all. Simple. It sounds very simple, but horrendously difficult. I will explain you why. To give you a perspective, to mine a block using the most updated ASIC chip, ASIC chip, the chance is 1 in 17 trillion odds. Miner needs a big factory of dedicated ASIC chips to mine 24/7 just to get one block mined. It's a million times more difficult than striking a big shot in Singapore. Of course, the first miner who found the correct Nonce, okay, in the world, then announced to all the nodes in the Bitcoin network. The node then registered all the 2,000 to 3,000 successful transactions into the blockchain. All right, this is how a successful block looks like. Let me show it to you. This is how a successful block looks like. All right, you will see the hashing function of this number, which is what they guess out. They guess this number correctly. All right, and this, for example, this was done, guessed correctly by a miner on the 8th of September. There are 2,823 transactions inside there. Okay, and the total done in this block is 72,000 Bitcoin, and the fee was $13,000. Okay. Okay. And the reward they get is actually 6.25 Bitcoin currently per block mined, plus the fee This is where they get 6.527 Bitcoin or 307,000 US dollar when they mine a block. Okay. And they also show you the difficulty. All right. As I mentioned just now, it's 18 trillion. The odds 1 in 18 trillion to get it. Just imagine. Just guess this number. All right. So simple, but 1 in 18 trillion chances. Now you can understand the Bitcoin system, the Bitcoin design, such a fantastic thing that our friend Satoshi Nakamoto is able to design. All right, now you understand also the power of proof of work. The miner actually helps secure the Bitcoin network cryptographically. Very secure. Hope this give you a picture now how proof of work is simple but almost impossible. 1 in 18 trillion chances. Right? Still, miners get it every 10 minutes in the whole world. Yeah? Okay, that's enough for today. See you the next time. Bye-bye.